Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, back again coming through. Who that is, that ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do the do. How are you guys doing? Yes, we are going to be doing a voiceover, and yeah, you know, I told you there's construction out here. Like, it's just super noisy right now, and even though I'm doing this voiceover, I can still hear them a little bit, so hopefully, you know, we can get through this without too much noise in the background. But y'all gonna have to bear with me, you see what I'm saying? So today's hair is by Hurela, and you know, they have some really bomb hair. Y'all already know. If it's made it to the channel, y'all know how this thing go. Okay, so today I am going to be experimenting with the new WIG. So basically this is an upgrade from the U-part wig. With the U-part wig, you know, you have to leave out hair to cover the tracks and yada yada. But the idea with this is that you can just, you know, clip it on and kind of get away with mimicking, you see what I'm saying? Because there's like a little lip of lace right at the very top. You guys will see, you know, all of that during the video and all of that yada yada. You see what I'm saying? So yeah. Oh my god, it is so noisy outside. I really hope you guys can't hear that, but y'all gonna have to bear with me, okay? Because it's, you know, they're doing a huge project, so it's gonna be a while. Yeah, so I decided that I wanted to crimp this hair. You know, I washed the hair and all of that good stuff, and I wanted to crimp it to do like a little wave. This crimper I got here in Japan. You guys recommend to me like the best waver out there, something that's really hot. Put your girl on, okay? Now this is not something that I would do all the time because this particular style took forever. If you've ever waved or ever tried to crimp or wave a hair with one of these tools, like, it takes forever. I mean, I felt like I was in here for ages, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of clip that I just had to cut out because I was in here waving and swaving for ages. You know what I'm saying? Like, my arm was getting tired. Child, I was stressed. Okay. But needless to say, this hair does hold a wave because when I actually waved the hair, I let it sit for like 2 days, guys. 2 days before I actually came back and shot the video. You see what I'm saying? I really wasn't feeling it. You see what I'm saying? A lot of family issues going on back home. We'll talk about it in another video, but not in this one. Anyways, so I'm crimping and I'm waving, and I want to do a crimp style again, but I want to do it with like some super duper long hair, you know what I'm saying? Because I was really impressed. I really liked it. It was really, you know what I'm saying, really pretty. It is my first time to actually do this type of waves, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so girl, let's just watch the video, you know what I'm saying, and let's move on, you know what I'm saying? For all the information on Hurela, make sure you check the description box. Everything will be down below for you, okay? Also, I want to mention that after I washed this hair, it was so light and fluffy and airy. Like, this is probably one of the lightest units that I have come across in a while, knowing that, you know, it's actually like tracks in the back. It was just really nice. This is some really nice hair, and I was in love with it. Now if you want to do this style and leave out hair, that would be even better, but I'm gonna be honest with you, my hair is natural and I do not apply heat like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I take care of my hair. I love my hair. I don't have time for any of that, you know what I'm saying? So I won't be doing any leave out. So, but I really wanted to experiment with this and have a little bit of fun and do something different, okay? Yeah, Obi is applying already. So I washed my hair and I'm just putting in some like, what do you call that? Stick-a-majig, you know what I'm saying? The stuff that you tame flyaways with. Girl, the words are not coming to me right now. Y'all already know I'm a hot mess, but that doesn't look too bad now, does it? Now, I do notice that for me, even though this wasn't too bad, I wanted to take it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was looking at it like, how can I do this? How can I make this work? Because the idea is you put it on without any leave out. Like, You know, you don't have to put on any leave out. You're supposed to, you know what I'm saying? So I need to stop saying, you know what I'm saying? Like, how many times I say, girl, let's play a drinking game. Y'all can play the drinking game. How many times I say, you know what I'm saying, through this video. Anyways, I decided to go in with some of my lace glue. You can totally use gel or hairspray for this, but I decided to use this because I have this at my disposal, and just kind of, you know, put some on the very edge, like on the very lip of this thing, and stick it down. And lately I have been using this little fan because I enjoy a slow set. You get me? Like, with the hair dryer, it's like it's sped up and I feel like it tightens a little bit, but if you let it set, girl, that's a tongue twister. If you let it set slowly, it feels a lot more comfortable, and I feel like the hold is just, you know, a lot better in my opinion, just letting it slowly do its thing, you know. So that's what we are doing right here, and I felt like I actually did the do. Like, I felt like, you know, it didn't look that bad after I got that little edge of lace to like lay down flat to my hair. It didn't look that bad. You get what I'm saying? So definitely something for the girls to try out. And like I said, if you want to leave out your hair, you can totally leave out your hair with this. You do not have to do it like this, but I wanted to do it the way it was advertised, which is, you know, this new wig, and you don't have to leave out anything. You feel me? Okay. So yeah, make sure you check out Hurela. Everything will be down in the description box for you. Look how pretty that hair is. Girl, let's get into this makeup, okay? So let's zoom in, because we finna get within. Okay. Now, this eye look is going to be super duper easy, and I feel like every holiday season I tend to grab for this little red palette. Absolutely love it. You know, I have all of these little jewel collections from Huda Beauty, and I'm surprised I have yet to do anything with the blue palette. I have yet to do anything with the purple one. Like, they're just sitting there in pristine condition, and I've had them for over a year. Anyways, I know the eye is sped up, but it's actually really simple. I'm just doing a halo type of thing, so just bear with me and try to keep up. You get what I'm saying? You can definitely slow down the video if you need to. You know, YouTube has that setting for you guys. And yeah, let's just get into this eye look. I'm doing this red look. You know, after this I feel like I want to do a little bit of purple, green, blue. I just want to do all the colors, girl. Y'all already know me, and y'all know that I love color. I am not afraid to wear color. I mean, it washes off. Let's have some fun. You get what I'm saying? I am definitely not a neutral girl every day, so you guys who have been with me from the beginning know the deal. Okay, let's not even pretend. Okay, I'm the island beauty. We love color. Okay. So yeah, just, you know, getting into this look, I was so impressed with this. Like, I just loved how everything came out. This was super duper pretty, and it's definitely a look that you guys should try out for the holiday season. If your dress is gonna be red or whatever, you know, like, get into it. Okay, it's bomb diggity whoop de whoop shibbity boop boop boop. So after I did this, I went ahead and I applied my lashes off camera. So let's get into the face. Okay, so let's get into this face. I was super pumped. I was listening to music, you know, and trying to catch a vibe and stuff like that. Yeah, listen, I feel like my skin and my neck has been doing a lot better. And like I said, after I cut out drinking the zero Pepsi, zero just basically means no sugar. Like, they just have artificial sweetener in there. I feel like that was contributing to my neck breaking out, as well as my migraines. I have not suffered from a migraines in ages. Like I said, it's not something that I used to suffer with. So I feel like as soon as I stop, you know, messing with that soda, I'm not a huge soda drinker, but every now and then I would have a soda. And normally I would have a regular soda, but because I'm trying to slim down a little bit, I was like, all right, let me go ahead and get the zero sugar one. But girl, everything went left really quick. My neck was breaking out. I was having these migraines, and ever since I just cut out that, doing some research and finding out that artificial sweetener can mess you up, like, I was like, all right, I'm done. and things have been looking up, like, you know what I'm saying? And I'm slimming down because your girl just went back to her water. Like, I love water. I don't know people who don't love water, because honey, I need water in my life. I drink it a lot, you know, and I feel like my skin has been doing so much better, apart from when I'm having, you know, my little monthly visitor. But my neck has been doing better. Everything has just been looking up, and I'm really, really happy, you know. So yeah. Okay, today my foundation is going to be by Too Faced. One of my favorite foundations on the market is definitely the Too Faced Born This Way. Like, it is everything to me, and I love the matte version because they have, you know, a regular version which is a little bit dewy, not super dewy, but you know, it's just regular. And I love the concealers, everything. Like, if you don't have this in your arsenal, what are you doing? You're gonna fall in love. I have backups of this because I did do a little shopping on Sephora, and I got me my backups, and I just love their stuff. Okay, do you see this jawline? Do you see the shape of my face? Yes, I did get a little bit more filler, not a whole lot. Yeah, you know, it's still settling. The filler that she uses is kind of thick, so you know, so it lasts a lot longer. And you know, after expressing my concerns, like I don't want it to travel and stuff like that, she was like, we should go with a thicker filler. And I must say she did a really, really good job, but I still see, like, you know, the little lumps and stuff because it's not fully settled. But look at that jawline. Let's get into it. Okay, but I absolutely am in love with my new lips. As far as cosmetic procedures, that's the only thing that I have done. I only have fillers in my lips. I don't have it anywhere else. I feel like my face doesn't need it anywhere else. You know, I look at myself a lot and I'm scared. Okay, like I just don't need it. Okay, when you're doing these fillers and all of this cosmetic surgery, just be very careful. Okay, and take time with yourself. Okay, age gracefully, sis. Like, what are you doing? Okay, you gonna puff up yourself like a balloon? Y'all better stop. And as you guys can tell, I am back to using my sponge. I truly did miss my sponge. I have so many of them. I showed you that in a previous video, but because they take forever to clean, I'm just like, no, I have other things that I could be doing. But you know, I have some help now, so I can use my sponge and have somebody else to wash them. Okay, but sponges hit different. I don't care what nobody say. Okay, brushes do the job and they do it very well, but a sponge just hit different. You know, especially applying powder with a damp sponge, when I tell you your face will transform in front of your eyes, you're gonna be like, girl, just wait till we get to that powder section and look at my face. Okay, right now everything looks nice and blended. Oh, and another thing, as you can tell, I am using a cream contour for my nose. This is new. Okay, this is new to me because normally I would do this with a powder, but I just find that the nose contour lasts a lot longer when I do the cream contour and then set it with the powder. Does that make sense? So yeah, I've been trying that out lately, and I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Okay, Huda Beauty for the win. This is truly one of the best powders on the market. It just hits different. I absolutely love this powder. I have quite a few in my arsenal. I have Fenty. I have, who else? I have whatchamacallit, oh my god, what's her name? Oh, I can't remember her name. It's not coming to me. You know, the girls love that powder. What's it called? Laura Mercier. Okay, and I always come back to Huda, and every time I apply Huda, I feel like it's just a different vibe. I just absolutely love it. It's just completely it's different, and it's my favorite out of all the powders that I own. Huda is my favorite. I'm not even gonna hold you. Huda and Fenty are my favorite. Okay, not gonna hold you. All right, girl, I was getting into these African vibes. Okay, suavemente. How you gonna say you getting into African vibes and that's singing suavemente? Pray for God, girl. Pray for God. Okay, listen. So look at this. Look at this. Like, I was just in love with my face, man. It's so pretty. Okay, absolutely love it. Okay, yes we do. Look at her. Sometimes I look at myself and I can't believe that's me because it's such. It's just. I mean, okay. Okay, anyway, we gonna bronzify, catch Poppy's eye, we gonna contour this nose, we gonna do everything, okay? Juvia's Place, use my code Sylver, shameless plug. Y'all know I love me some Juvia's Place, so I'm not even gonna hold you, okay? Go ahead and get you your bronzer, your eyeshadow palettes, and all of that good stuff, okay? Let's get looking good for 2022. Can you believe this year is almost finished? Like, this year just went by really fast. Like, I just feel like this year went by fast. I don't know if it's because I moved, like I felt like I blinked and it's all over. Okay, so needless to say, I'm gonna be pumping out these holiday looks for you guys, and okay, we're just gonna do the whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. Okay, love this blush. This is by ColourPop, and this was from their Powerpuff Girl collection. It's just a really bright pink blush, and I'm only whipping this out to show y'all something different, but I do love the blush. And we're gonna highlight a little glow. Okay, y'all know how it go. Whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. When I tell you I'm in love with this look, I am in love with this look. Like, it came out so perfect. Okay. And staying true to form, we are back to this hair. Listen, I'm just showing you guys how I get ready, okay? For me, it's makeup. It's hair, makeup, hair, finish the lips, put on my clothes, and get out of here. Okay, that's the format. That's always been the format. I feel like that's, you know, I feel the most relaxed. I feel cool. I don't feel hot, because if you know anything about messing with your hair, you can feel hot afterwards, and I don't like that feeling. So you see what I'm saying? Girl, it's just what I do. This hair is super pretty, so I just fluffed it up, you know, and got it going, and it's just really pretty. And I decided to brush out some of my edges and create some baby hairs. Basically, you know, that's all I did. Make sure you check out Hurela. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box, and you know, if you're interested in this, I'm telling you, you won't be sorry. This was some really good hair, and it was super light on my head, so that was a plus. Absolutely love it. And look how full it looks like, and it's shiny. It's just giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, and finally, let's get into these lips. And yeah, and we're done. Like, we're through. Okay, whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. That's what we finna do. Okay, I'm gonna be going for a like reddish brown nude lip. Y'all know I love me a reddish brown nude lip. Look at this lip. It is so pretty. Like, okay, I was feeling it. I was like, yes girl. Okay, anyways, absolutely love this look. Everything came out perfect. I just felt really happy. You know, when you have like a really great makeup day and everything comes out perfect. Today was one of those days, and I was just feeling myself. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. Did you guys like it? Did you guys love it? Are you gonna try it? Tell me, you know, leave the comments down below. I read everything, even though I can't reply back to this right here. Lately I have been setting my face like this, you know, spraying the sponge and just kind of patting it in. It just hit different. It do. Okay, like, it just feel different. It hit different. You said just locking everything in, like, you know what I'm saying? Look at a girl. Okay, yes. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Watch a new video, share the video. And if you've made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, it's clean, it's free, and no hassle, no tussle. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's do the doing, let's do it together. Okay, listen, I love y'all. I'ma just go ahead and head on out. Okay, and I will see you guys really soon on the next video. Be safe out there, y'all. Okay, God bless.